Dethatching a lawn can be a really labor-intensive process. You can do it yourself with manual tools, or you can hire a landscaping company to come out. So it's always a question of whether you want to spend your time or your money on this project. Well, for me, I decided I could save both time and money by buying this Greenworks Electric Dethatcher. This Dethatcher works much like my Greenworks Electric Mower that I also own. It's fairly compact except for the handle, which can be folded for storage. The padded handle feels pretty comfortable, and you have to push and hold the safety button before pulling the handle to start it up. On the wheels is a dial for easy height adjustment, plus a handy guide to help you set it correctly. And what makes the Dethatcher pull up all the stuff in your lawn are all the tines on the roller at the bottom. They look like little spring clips, but they grab onto loose grass and moss. And here in the Pacific Northwest, we have a lot of moss that's always in the lawn. And because the dethatching process is rough on this machine, Greenworks actually includes a bag of replacement tines in the box, which is really nice. So how well does the Greenworks Dethatcher work? I'd say it works extremely well. I did both my front and back lawns and pulled up a bunch of moss and dead grass. I'm really happy that I can do this now without having to hire a landscaping company. And if it's anything like my Greenworks mower, this Dethatcher should last a while. I've had my mower for at least 4 years now and it still works great. I know the Greenworks Dethatcher is not a machine I'll use often, but it will pay for itself after a few uses, and definitely more convenient than scheduling a landscaper to come out. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my weekly videos.